If caramel sauce could flex, this would be it. I'm making brown butter caramel sauce, and I'll show you just how I made it in a matter of minutes. I'm starting off with some butter, 4 tablespoons, and I'm using unsalted butter. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt later. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this get brown. You wanna make sure that you cover this with splatter guard because it will snap, crackle, and pop all over the place. This is exactly where I want it to be, right here. So I'm gonna take it off this burner because it's still hot, and it's gonna get even darker if I leave it on here, and I don't want it to end up being burnt. Now I'm gonna get started on making the caramel sauce. So I'm gonna add in 1 cup of sugar. Then I'm gonna add in a 1/4 cup of water. I'm gonna add in just a little bit of corn syrup. This is gonna take about 5 to 10 minutes. At this point, it's been about 5 minutes. It's gonna be about 5 more minutes and it's done. I don't use the candy thermometer. I don't need to. I just wait till it gets to the color that I want it to be. And this is the point when you really want to start watching it. It's going to get brown real quick. This is the color that I'm looking for right here. So I'm going to take it off the burner so that it stops the cooking process. Now I'm ready to add the rest of the ingredients. So now I'm going to add the brown butter. I'm just going to pour that right in. And I'm going to add in those little brown bits. They got brown, which was the milk solids, because that's where the flavor of the brown butter is really coming from. Now I'm going to start to add in slowly the heavy cream, and you'll see why. It starts to foam up really quickly. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt and about a ½ teaspoon or so of vanilla extract. This is all there is to it. This is done at this point. Now I just need to let it cool. So I'm gonna let this cool for about 15, 20 minutes, maybe 15 to 30 minutes. That's it. One simple move makes a serious upgrade. Make this once and you'll become everybody's favorite person because this is something you cannot buy in the store.